Hello Internet, I am Mihai, it is part 16. I will run unit tests. Open pipeline shared library repository. Open with IntelliJ. Good. Create a new file. In the vars folder, create the file runUnitTests.groovy. Add the file to Git. Create the call method. It is public void call. Create the body and write sh for the shell script, the script key. It is npm run test-cicd and the label is run Node.js unit tests. Check Git changes. I created a new file and write the commit message. Created. Copy the file name. I copied. Paste. Script. New line. Run unit tests. Apply the changes. The message is ready. Commit and push. Commit anyway. Push. Open Node.js backend repository. It is it. Now, in the package.json file, create a new script. It is test-cicd. Go to the Groovy script, copy it, and paste in the package.json. Very good. And now the script, test-cicd script, should run the test script. So I write npm run test. Every time Jenkins calls test-cicd, it will run npm run test, and the test will run mocha exit test. Save the file, check Git changes. I added the new line, apply the change, and write the commit message created. Test-cicd npm script. New line, run unit tests. Commit. And now push. Very good. I want to create a new stage. Open the pipeline repository. It is it. Open with IntelliJ. Very good. Scroll down and create a new stage. The stage name is run unit tests. Create the body. Set the timeout for 1 minute. Now I copy the previous timeout, paste it in the new stage, and I set the timeout for 1 minute. Very good. Create the steps block and create the script block. Go to shared library repository. Copy the file name, refactor, rename, copy the name, paste it in the stage, open parentheses to call the method, and it's all. Check Git changes. I created a new stage, apply, and write the commit message created. Run unit tests. Stage. In the new line, you write run unit tests. Commit and push. commit anyway, push. Perfect. I want to run the pipeline. Go to Jenkins, open the folder, open the pipeline, build with parameters. The branch name is main, build, wait, and the pipeline finished. You can see the stage run unit tests. It is a possibility that this stage may fail on your computer. I will show you why it happens. Go to the Node.js project, close the working tree, close package.json, go to the tests folder and open server test.js. Remember, we wrote a unit test which fails sometime. If your pipeline failed, just run the pipeline one more time, and it will fix the problem. Go back to the Jenkins, open the logs, just refresh the page, click on the log 10, click the green circle, scroll down. Here I installed the packages, here I entered run unit test stage. The timeout is 1 minute. I start the run test-cicd script. It ran the npm run test. And here are the tests. All of them passed. Cleaned the workspace and the status is success. Open the diagram. Make the stage white. And it is all. Now the pipeline run unit tests. Thank you for watching.